Best penny stocks to buy on April 17th, 2026. So our next stock, this is part 2. So next stock is Life Zone Metals Limited, stock symbol LZM. It is up today 30% or $1.18, trading at $5.07. Since this morning, it already traded 3 million shares. Market cap for the company is $458 million. So this company is from other metals and minerals sector. So what can I tell you? I mean, 3 months ago, it used to trade at $6. Then it collapsed all the way to $3. And in the last month or so, it was trying to come back, but it was kind of like slipping still. But finally, I think they released some kind of news today, and the stock is kind of like breaking out of its resistance level and, went through a $5 mark, which is kind of important. And now it looks like it's growing. And the other thing is that it's recording a record trading volume for today. So when you see that, this is like a good indicator that whatever news they released are being accepted by the market with a lot of positive attitude. And basically a lot of people trust the company that something is good is happening there. And that's why you have a record trading volume of 3 million shares just in the first 90 minutes. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's up there. But just remember, if you decide to buy this thing, you will be buying close to 6-month high. 6-month high is, or 3 months high was $6. So if you buy it at right now $5, it could go to $6. You could make 20%. But with penny stocks, we're usually looking for returns of 50%, 100%. 20% is kind of little, but it is what it is. So take a look. Maybe it's worth your time. Next one is FGI Industries, stock symbol FGI. It is up today 30% or $1.48, trading at $6.32. Since this morning, it already traded, listen, only 204,000 shares. And market cap of the company is $12 million. And this company is from building products sector. So, usually I would tell you that I don't like stocks like this that are up 30%, but only 204,000 shares were traded. Because as I said before, investors usually jump on opportunities like this, and you see trade volume into millions, not just, 200,000 shares. But if you look at the chart of that stock, in the last, I would say, couple of weeks, it was actually building very bullish trend. It went from like 350 all the way to like right now 630. So it almost like doubled in price on very little volume. So the stock is basically being traded under the under the cover or something. But a lot of people don't know about it, but you do now. So take a look, see what's going on there, because it looks very bullish, but investors have not discovered it yet. So who knows? So take a look. Next one is Repay Holdings Corporation, stock symbol RPAY. It is up today 27% or 87 cents, trading at $4.06. Since this morning, it already traded 20 million shares. Market cap of the company is $353 million. So this company is from miscellaneous commercial services sector, which could be pretty much anything. So 6 months ago, they used to trade at $5.50. Then they collapsed to like $2. However, in the last month or so, they were climbing back up. I mean, they went from about $2.40 all the way to $4. So, already produced about 70% gain. But the lion's share of this gain happened today when it jumped 27%. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because, it looks like the stock is on the roll. Right now, they're trading record trading volume of 20 million shares for the last 6 months. So a lot of new buyers are coming in, and they're buying that stock and pushing the price up. So which means whatever news are driving it, I guess it's pretty serious, and investors take it as a very big sign of positive, stock growth in the future. So take a look. Next one is iSpecimen Incorporated, stock symbol ISPC. It is up today 24% or 2 cents, trading only at 14 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 541 million shares in the first 90 minutes of this since the market opened. So basically more than 500 million shares. This is what I like to see, because now we can see that a lot of people are getting into that stock and buying it and bumping it up, and I could see why. 6 months ago, the stock was about 80 cents a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like 3 cents. And basically it was just collapsing, and there was nothing positive about that stock. But I would say that probably today, if not yesterday, but they released some kind of very positive news, and the stock suddenly made this huge turnaround, and right now it jumped 23%. So, but it looks like something major was some major news were released, and if you decide to pull the trigger, if you read this news and you buy it at 14 cents, and this thing goes back to like 80 cents where it used to trade, I mean, you could be looking at around 400% return on that stock, and you right now catching it at a very low price point, very close to 6-month low. So take a look. I mean, if you buy it for 14 cents, it's not bad, and plus, the upside potential is huge. So take a look. Next one is Aprea Therapeutics, stock symbol APRE. It is up today 20% or 18 cents, trading at $1.09. Since this morning, it already traded only 500,000 shares, less than a million, which is an alarming thing. But let's go forward. Market cap is only $13 million. And this company is from pharmaceuticals sector. So, as I said, usually when the stock produces 20% jump in price, investors are piling up with millions of shares being traded and the stock going through the roof. But here we have like very little volume, which could be actually good because most of the market did not discover this stock. But the main thing why I decided to talk about it, because this thing, nevertheless, is building very bullish trend. In the last month, it went from like 70 cents to right now trading at $1, which is basically a growth of over 40% a share, 40% in the last month. So maybe something big is happening there, and this is something that would be worth your while to jump in and maybe ride this bullish trend, because it looks like it's very powerful. So take a look. And the last one would be Allied Gaming and Entertainment Incorporated, stock symbol AGAE. It is up today 20% or 10 cents, trading at 62 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded $34 million, a million shares. Market cap of the company is $24 million. And this company is from movies and entertainment sector, but I think this is just basically online gaming and entertainment. So this stock is building super bullish trend. I've been talking about the stock for I think like 2 or 3 days in a row. It keeps growing. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because it jumped from 30 cents to 60 cents in a matter of 2 days, basically doubling in price. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, 4pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems. It covers 2,000 penny stocks, and you always know which ones to buy. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.